Follow these steps to fix Instagram invalid parameter error. Let's get started. First, restart your device. This will fix minor glitches and bugs issues. Next, check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings. Click on the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rezone it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, update your Instagram. To do that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, clear cache for the Instagram app. To do that, launch your settings, navigate to the option General, click on iPhone Storage. From the list of the apps, find Instagram. Click on Upload app, click on Upload app, then click on Reinstall app. This will clear cache for this app. Next, try to reset your Instagram password. To do that, launch your Instagram, navigate to the profile page, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now head over to the section Account Center, click on the option Password and Security, click on Change Password, click on your Instagram username. Now type in your current password and generate new password for your account. Likewise, reinstall Instagram. Press and hold on the Instagram app. Click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. Then launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram and then install it. Next, visit Down Detector to check if Instagram is facing outages. So you can launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website Down Detector. Now, in the search box, type in Instagram and then search for it. If you find any outages for the Instagram, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. If none of these solutions work, what you can do is contact Instagram support team. For that, launch your Instagram, navigate to the settings and privacy page. Then scroll down, head over to the option Help, click on Report your problem. Click on Report problem without shaking. Click on Don't include and continue. And here you can briefly explain about the issue and send it. These steps should help resolve invalid parameter error. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.